Welcome to your new Kidde smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with smart features. With advanced features and the power of the Kidde app, it's easier than ever to take control of a safer home. And it all starts with simple setup. Here, we'll walk you through the process of installing the app and setting up your alarm. Before you begin, it's important to note that this is a hardwired 120-volt AC alarm, which means it's powered by existing 120-volt wiring in your home. For your safety, as you prepare to open the product package, make sure the tamper-resistant seal on the box is still in place. If the sticker is broken, contact Kidde Customer Support at 800-880-6788 or visit the support section on kidde.com. Inside the packaging, you'll find the alarm, quick start guide, user guide, alarm mounting bracket, and AC quick connector. You will need a flathead and Phillips head screwdriver to complete the installation. When you're ready to begin, start by downloading the Kidde app to your phone. You can find it in the App Store by searching Kidde, or scan the QR code in Step 1 of the Quick Start Guide. Once the app is installed, open the app, create a new account if needed, or log in to your existing Kidde account. You can create your account by entering your first name, last name, email, and password. Then go to your email to verify your Kidde app account. Be sure to check your email spam folder. If you didn't get an email, go back to the Kidde app screen and select Click Here to resend, and a new email will be sent to your account. With your account set up, it's time to add your new device to the app. Tap the Add a New Safety Device in the app. Select Smart Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm. The in-app steps will now guide you through setting up your safety device. First, activate the battery by using a flathead screwdriver to turn the red wheel on the back of your device clockwise to the on position. A musical tone will confirm the battery has been activated. Your device is now ready to be added to the Kidde app. Connect your device to the app by scanning the QR code shown in Step 3 of the Quick Start Guide or on the back of your safety device. QR Scan Successful will show on the app screen. Before you take the next step of installing the alarm's wires to your home wiring, turn off the main power to the circuit. Then install your new alarm's mounting bracket. Attach the AC quick connector to your alarm. Then attach the connector to your home wiring, making sure that the locks on the connectors snap into place. Refer to the user guide for more details on wiring and installation. Next, install the alarm fully on the mounting bracket by rotating the alarm in a clockwise direction. You can now safely turn the power to the circuit back on. Once you do, the LED light ring will first show green. The alarm will say Ready to Connect, follow Quick Start Guide instructions, and a red light ring should be fading in and out. Your device is now ready to connect to your Wi-Fi network. You must proceed in the app and connect to Wi-Fi within 15 minutes. If you do not connect your alarm to Wi-Fi in the app within 15 minutes, it is simple to reset the device. Just click Reset the Device on your app screen and follow the in-app instructions. To connect to Wi-Fi, select your home's Wi-Fi network from the list. Tap the in-app push notification to join a network if prompted. Next, enter your Wi-Fi network password and then name your device. Here's a tip. Include your device's location in the name so it's easy to identify in an emergency. You can change the name later if you want. Now, select a type of room from the drop-down menu list. The Kidde app also allows you to manage smart alarms at multiple property locations. Select which property to add your alarm to, or create a new property and name your dwelling. With those steps complete, you will hear registering the Wi-Fi alarm and a chime sound. You have successfully added and connected your safety device. Now you can begin experiencing the alarm features using the app. For starters, ping your alarm to confirm that your device is set up. Tap Ping Alarm on the app screen. Your alarm will emit pinging sounds and the amber light ring will fade in and out. Tap Cancel Ping to stop. To see the status of all Kidde smart devices in your home, you can tap the dashboard icon in the app at any time. You can also use the app to get notifications when a device needs to be replaced or if smoke or carbon monoxide is detected in your home. Instructions in the app will also guide you through changes like resetting alarms if you're moving, changing your Wi-Fi network, and more. We hope you found this video helpful in setting up your new Kidde smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with smart features. Stay connected with us to learn more about new products, features, and all the ways we can help you manage your home safety systems with confidence.